Adding a gift card to an Apple Wallet is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open the email containing your Disney gift card. The email you received upon purchase should have details about your digital gift card, including the 16-digit card number and CVV code. Look for the Add to Apple Wallet option. This might be a button or link within the email itself. If you can't find it, try scrolling down or checking the email attachments. Click Add to Apple Wallet. This will automatically launch the wallet application on your iPhone or iPad. Follow the on-screen instructions. You might be prompted to enter your iPhone passcode or Face ID or Touch ID for verification. Success! Your Disney gift card should now be added to your Apple Wallet. You can access it easily and use it for contactless payments at participating Disney parks, shops, and online through Disney websites and apps.